What is up, guys? It is Texas Potato here, and I'm with my friend East Texas Bassing.
What's up?
And here we're gonna make a YouTube video today. We also got East Texas Bass Angler here. He's over there. He doesn't want to be a part of this. He's a loser.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, and
I'll be doing some good bass fishing.
yeah,
Hope to get some on camera. Let's go.
Thanks for bringing it.
What?
Thanks for bringing it.
Bring what?
I asked you to bring my tackle
Oh, I
bag.
forgot.
I don't know how you forget. Dang, it's cold.
Is there a lot of moss out here? Fish of the day,
Little baby.
about probably a pound.
Oh well, good start.
Yep.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll ask him.
Hey, holler at.
No, Joseph's the one that's over here saying, I'm so hungry, we need something to eat. Did Caleb say that I had to buy power bait because I can't afford snake tails?
No.
To me, I swear. I know they.
I just don't think that's true because I didn't even think that he knew I had these.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does know you have them because he's. You catch one, I'll put you in.
You won't.
Harry's hooked on.
Crappie.
Oh, that's a big one.
Big crappie. My drag wasn't even set.
That is small.
Got this
Now
pretty good
Joseph's
sized
gonna catch.
crappie. First catch for me. Was bass fishing, but yes, it's crappie time.
It's on a coffee, that's a bass.
Bingo. Got another bass. I mean, yeah, another bass.
Yeah, another wait. Yeah, another bass. Oh, I hate it when they squirm.
I know. They're so freaking good. Pull it out.
No, that hurts them.
Can't hurt
This is how Caleb holds his fish.
Yeah.
He's too scared.
Maybe that's how he broke his arm.
Pull the fish like that.
Oh my god,
I'm so hungry. Oh, my dad said if you catch a small fish, just throw it in that pond over there.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm just a crappie magnet today.
Go throw it in that
I
pond.
want to catch a crappie so bad. Alright guys, we got the second crappie. Fourth fish of the day. I don't know why, I'm just catching crappie today. I mean, these are all pretty good sized crappie.
And I'm hooked on. Tiniest
Bring him
bass.
in.
Yeah.
Harrison, your rod and reel is smacked.
Okay. So, Joseph got the fifth fish of the day. Well,
God. That's what I hate about these. They're like little babies.
not exactly a fish. It's kind of too small to be classified as a fish, but yeah.
Throw it in here?
Yeah. No. Throw it in that pond over there.
Okay.
You don't want small bass in here. flare fish right here. Dude, I don't care if it dies. It's a small fish. Dude, I have some more freaking, what's it called?
Tyler, quit going.
You got one? Flip it up here.
Good Lord. Monster.
Okay, so Tyler got the monster.
Tyler out here doing work. Oh my.
Putting work in. Well, let's show everybody this monster fish. They want
Did
this.
your curbside duck come in?
No.
Did you order
Open your mouth.
Homestead didn't order it. I guess I'll have to order it again.
it? I don't remember you ordered it.
I know. Yeah. My little baby. Let's go.
Don't tell me you just threw it back in. Oh.
Okay. So, a lot of y'all might already know this, but I'm only Shimano. That's all I use. And I got this Shimano Casitas here. And it's really good at throwing lightweight baits. It can throw this little rooster tail right here like a mile without a problem.
Mr. Lawler. See, when they made this reel, they made it as a 6:3 gear ratio. So, and it has, and this is the, this is the Casitas.
Yeah, can I say something?
This is the Casitas. It's on a Falcon Buku with micro guides. And you can throw anywhere from a.
By the way, this is Shimano.
We'll catch these small fish. I'm gonna throw this one away.